Vantage Ag and Industrial Power Technology students learn skills to inspect, maintain, and repair vehicles and machinery used in construction, farming, rail, transportation, and other in-demand industries. As technology advances, so does production, and the need for a skilled workforce is essential in this rewarding and prosperous industry.
Hello, my name is Turner Witt, and I am a senior here in the Ag and Industrial Power Tech program. I came to this program specifically to get my CDL and also learn about how to work on engines, all the way from small weed whackers all the way up to these big tractor engines that you see behind me. Right now, the juniors, they are working on servicing this truck right behind me. After high school, I plan on driving truck with my CDL and then going to college to get my teaching degree in mathematics.
At Vantage Career Center, Ag and Industrial Power Technology students gain the knowledge and skills necessary to keep the new generation of agriculture growing, while earning industry-recognized credentials, licenses, and advanced placement opportunities. Students walk out the door without the debt. Whether college or career-bound, Vantage students get the edge on their futures.